there. Oh my goodness. Did you guys even see that wind? Hear the wind? Woo! That was crazy. My face is frozen. Now we gotta go get out of this parking so it don't cost us anymore. And then I'll talk to you guys in a minute. Hang on a second. Let's go and pay this parking. My hand is frozen. Get in there. Oh, not bad. 200 yens. Oof. I thought it was gonna be like 500 or something. Get in there. So guys, like I was saying, the weather was really horrific. Oh wow, I'm glad to be inside a nice warm car because the wind was so bad they actually closed down the walkway. That's the reason I came here. The reason I paid for parking is to get the lighthouse. I wanted the lighthouse and it was closed. Out of all the days I decided to come, it was in the worst day where everything is closed because it's windy. Oh, look back there, we got the light up. But I'm too frozen. I probably can't deal with the cold anymore. This last clip was all 1080p because I want to compare how 1080p fares to the 4.5K, which I was mainly shooting. This whole video was mainly to shoot in 4.5K 16:9 aspect ratio or in 14 bits. Now the 1080p one, the B-roll, right now we're in 24p, but the B-roll one, it was at 30 frames per second, which I wanted to slow down a little bit, give it like a slow motion, and slow it down in post to 75%, gives you 24p. So yeah, it's all gonna be a 24p timeline, upscale to 4K. But what do you guys think? How did 1080p do though? Because I'm still wanting to, hoping, wishing to get usable 1080p because it just got the best field of view. That's all. It's just, I love the way it looks on my lenses. The field of view just looks really nice, especially with the 35mm, the TT Artisan. That looks fantastic in the 1080p mode. Excuse me. My nose is plugged up from all the wind. But I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and we'll hope to see you on another video. Don't forget to subscribe, hit the little bell to let you know when another video pops up, and we'll see you guys next year. Peace.